Hey guys, today we're going to do a fun unboxing, Funky Chunky. So we have, my daughter Lane is home on leave from the Marines. We've got a son-in-law wandering around too. He's a little bit camera shy. This is my husband Sam, and this is our oldest child BJ. And we wanted to do kind of a fun unboxing for you. Today this has nothing to do with fashion. This is a company, it's called Funky Chunky. It is gourmet hand-drizzled popcorn and pretzel snacks. And on the website it says salty sweet, gift for businesses, gatherings, birthdays, thank yous, events, and holidays. So how's that? I totally stole this idea from Donna at Tips and Tails. She did an unboxing for them, so I ordered this box using her code for 20% off, and you can use my code. Well, she could too if she wanted to. Then I'm going to post down below for 20% off of your own. This is an American-owned company. The gentleman I was in touch with when I asked him if I could please have a code to give you guys, he is a veteran, and my husband and I are veterans. Lane, of course, is active duty. So go USA. This is an American-owned company. We really like that. Anything else? Oh, they have pails, tins, gift sets, and this is one of the gift sets that I chose today. I forgot what kind of gift set I ordered. I'll put that down below too, but they let you choose your color of ribbon, and I just chose black because I wanted to see what it would look like against the black box. Okay, so BJ, are you ready to try some snacks?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what the box looks like when you take it out. Okay. So here we got that out of the wrapping. It would make a pretty gift. Okay, everybody ready to try some?
Yes.
I'm ready.
If anybody suspects that there may be tree nuts in here, alert me, because I'm allergic to tree nuts.
Well, we can see her face swelling up in the middle of the video. So that's pretty good.
There we go.
Something to look forward to.
So this, I don't know what we have, but we're going to take a look in just a second, and let's see what we've got here. So it looks like we have a chip Zell Pop. I should have grabbed my glasses.
This is for me.
Okay, she doesn't know what it is, but she just took
I've
it.
had this before, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
This is this company, I think it's out of Minnesota.
Yeah.
Sea salt caramel.
Because Zach, he's over there. Zach and I went to Minnesota when we were dating, and we got this, and it was really good.
Okay, this is sea salt caramel. I think that's going to stay with me. I love caramel. Nutty Choco Pop. Yeah, I can go this way, because that's probably, Nutty Choco Pump probably has nuts. Peanut butter cup, here's our peanut butter guy. And we've got chocolate pretzel. Okay, so.
What are you guys going to eat?
Yeah, really, this is all for you?
This has nuts in it.
That is one hungry Marine right there. Okay.
Popcorn, caramel, almonds, and cashews are in
So
this.
I will not be tasting that one. All right, BJ. Let's let BJ pick
This
first.
one has pecans.
Okay, won't be tasting that one.
That one has cashews.
What?
And this one has... You're fine on that.
I'm good on that. What's this?
This one just has popcorn, chips, pretzels, caramel, chocolate.
I'll be trying 2 of these.
So not this one.
Okay, so which one do we start with, BJ? Peanut butter cup, sea salt caramel. Hang on. Chip Zell Pop, that has chips in it. Chocolate pretzel and Nutty Choco Crunch. Which does BJ want to pick? All right.
So this one's not
BJ
from us.
picked peanut butter cup is going to be our first one. We let BJ have a try. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll let somebody else open the nutty ones because I don't want to smell them. We do not need a nauseous me doing this.
I'll let Dad do it.
Don't open them quite yet. Let's do one at a time.
Okay.
That way I can enjoy the non-nutty ones fully. Wanted to get a taste?
Yeah.
Everybody tell me what you think. Grab a chunk. See what our family...
Is that a big enough chunk?
That's a chunk. That's a good chunk.
I want more.
If she wants more...
Peanut butter chocolate is my favorite.
Don't do that!
It's okay.
I am not, thank goodness, I'm not being compensated by this company at all. But I just wanted to do it because it sounded like fun.
Very
and I
good.
wanted to give my viewers a nice discount on something.
I like that one.
That's yummy, peanut butter cup. You like this one?
Yeah.
You sure? Because I can take it away if you don't like it. Yeah. Okay, he said yes.
No, we tried this when we went to Anheuser-Busch.
Was that an Anheuser-Busch?
I think. It was on one of our trips on the way back.
We need Zach on camera.
We got this one.
Okay. Oh, there's actually little peanut butter cups. Look, guys.
This It's my favorite.
Wow.
Peanut butter chocolate.
Look, BJ, it has little peanut butter cups. Here, I want that because I'm gonna get. Okay, I'm keeping this with me. Have not. Okay,
You can try this
Lane, what
one.
shall we do next?
It's a chip Zell pop. This
Just
one's
pick
really
one.
good. It
Does
has,
that have nuts in it?
no. It has popcorn,
She's my seeing eye daughter.
potato chips,
Right.
pretzels, caramel, and chocolatey drizzle.
Okay,
These are the best treats I've
this
had
has
all day.
potato chips in it
I have
and
nails. Can
pretzels.
you open this? Thanks.
Oh, and this is a whole bunch of people that have never heard your repeated jokes.
That's right. I can use all my
You have a
daddy,
fresh
daddy
audience.
grandpa jokes.
It's the best. It's the best popcorn snack you've had all day.
That's right. All day.
All day.
All right,
There we go.
everybody take a taste. Sam, grab some.
It's just so good. It has potato chips in it, so it's sweet and.
I will like that because I like potatoes.
Well, it's a pretty big size.
BJ, this has potato
It's
chips
half
in
the
it.
jar
Hey, Zach,
right
you
there,
want to go
so-
stick your hand in and grab some?
He said no.
His hand doesn't want to be in the big. Oh, I like that better. Here, that can leave. This stays with me. Oh my gosh.
I told you.
Oh my gosh, you are so good.
I told you.
I guess it would be good with beer too.
I think that's where we got it. Maybe it was at the aquarium.
I'm not important. Somewhere on a trip in the Midwest, she came up on some of this. Oh, look, there's a big piece of chip in there. Okay. Now what do you guys want to try?
It's fun.
I swear I thought when I ordered this there were no nuts. All right. Okay, I'll let you open that since that's nutty. I'll just sit here with this. This is not going to help me get in a smaller size.
I'll do this part. You do that part.
Donna, you said this would be addictive. You were right.
Every size is beautiful.
I'm glad you got the low
That is
cal
very
treats.
true.
You know how you get a bikini body? You have a body and you put it in a bikini.
That's right.
And you
Bikini
eat
body.
whatever you want. In moderation, but you know. Oh wait, get that away from mom. Hey BJ, you wanna try some?
It's okay. I think it's cold. I think. Wow, that is quite the piece right there.
There you go, Beach.
That is ginormous.
There you go,
Chocolate
I'm a good
pretzels.
sister. Just remember, I'm your favorite. I'm your
Just give
favorite
him a
sister.
little piece. We have 2 more to go. While I eat the entire thing.
How often am I home? You get the whole piece.
Very good.
What do you think?
Is that how they teach you to
Is
eat
it
in the
good? Or
Marines?
BJ's sitting there. Are you sure? Are you sure? You're positive? It's good? It's not bad? It's yummy? Okay. Which one do you guys want to do next?
I'm still eating this one.
The
Okay.
sea salt caramel.
That's the one I wish I could try.
This is my favorite so far.
Just saying.
All right, here we go.
Don't
Funky
die.
Chunky, make a caramel one that does not have
No.
nuts in it.
You can't have the sea salt one?
I can't have, it has almonds, I think.
Okay. That's okay. More for us.
That's right. My family is so generous.
All right. Okay. Well,
It's okay. This is delicious and I'm not sharing.
Ah. There we
Here,
go.
Beej, you want to try one?
Ah.
Okay, get a little one. Hey, that's kind of big. Hey, wait, make him, I can't touch it. Wait, go with the smaller one, buddy. Try a smaller piece. BJ's happy. He's like,
Here you
dinner.
go.
This is dinner.
But
Okay. The last one.
What is this one? Read it.
Nutty Choco Pop.
And what's the ingredients? What is the ingredient?
The ingredients is things and stuff. Stuff and things. Stuff and things.
I think it's safe to say that Funky Chunky is never going to hire you as a spokesperson.
That's right. What is it?
I'd hire you.
Yeah, she has the. You're a seeing
Okay.
eye daughter.
okay. Popcorn, caramel, almonds. Make sure everyone's catching up.
We're listening.
Cashews and chocolatey drizzle.
Yeah, the cashews threw me out of the running.
All right.
Why isn't that called caramel?
Nutty choco pop.
Okay. Still eating the chip well pop. Hey!
All right, here we go.
Hey! BJ's tickled.
Nutty Choco Pop. Test 1.
Here, BJ. I wanted to give you more,
Oh,
but
it's just a little
mom's
chocolate.
not as fun as me.
I think the best one I've tasted so far is the peanut butter.
That one's really
cup.
good.
My favorite's the Chip Zell Pop.
The chocolate pretzel is pretty dang good. There's just not popcorn in it.
Oh, it's just pretzels. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So
BJ?
it's like chocolate and caramel covered pretzels with pecans.
Well, they did say that they were
The pretzel.
pretzel and popcorn snacks. BJ, what's your favorite?
You don't care.
Yeah, it does.
Which one was your favorite? What do you like the best? just hand me
The Power
more.
Rangers like the peanut butter cup. Do you like
Power
the
Rangers
peanut butter
like
cup?
peanut butter cup. Is that good with you?
Yeah.
Do you love Power Rangers?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we all happy with what we got?
They're all good. My most favorite is probably this one
The pretzel,
and the
peanut butter cup.
peanut butter.
So, how long do you think these will last us?
Well, I would
As long
say
as they last.
less than 24 hours.
Yeah, well,
At least 2.
at the rate that I'm eating the chips they'll pop, I'd say approximately 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
And I'm getting help. Okay, well that's it. Funky Chunky. I've got
Great.
a link below for 20% off of your order. Again, this doesn't do a thing for me. We just wanted to put something fun out. Was it funny?
Probably
I don't know.
not.
Maybe we're a drag.
Probably.
This is a
The harder we
disaster.
try to be serious, the funnier it gets.
That is true. Anytime, fun fact.
That's
This
right.
is my family.
No,
Aren't you so
hey,
glad you met
we
them?
we used to make a family movie every year. I don't mean like
Don't
home
tell
movie.
this
Yeah.
story.
But we would try to make it serious, but it just kept winding up funny. And then we try
True
to make
story.
it funny, and it
Well,
was
we
not
only
funny
have
anymore.
5 other children
I'm
that
going to
are
let
not
these
here.
people go. Thank you very much for watching us eat snacks. If you want, you can get your own with a 20% discount using the link below, like I've already mentioned. And I guess we'll let you go. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye, and be blessed.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas, Beach.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. So I just checked the card that was on top of the box, beautifully packaged. Remember I said I thought I ordered one that didn't have tree nuts in it? The card says from Kimberly to Gioe or something like that, and Vernon. This is not ours. So
Sorry, Joey and Vernon.
we apologize. We got your order. Okay. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye and be blessed.
Bye.